In today's program we will see how to multiply two matrices. So for that first I define a class matrix, and first of all I will get a blank line printed for space. Now I will take values from the user self.a11. Basically the element self.a11 is equal to int and it can't be int float. It will be an input only int input enter A11 colon double space. Now we have to copy this for 9 times for one matrix, then we will repeat this 9 times for other matrix. Copy from Ctrl D2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give some space on 3. Now we will change the elements like A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 and so on. Hold on a minute. I will press Alt and I will change the position of the second row. So this is basically the second row, so 2 will be here. So I have made 2 and then I have to make 3 here. So I will take Alt here and here is the third row. So I will make 3 in this 2 and here 2. 3 will be there, backspace tab key 3 A33 and A33 here and here and here 2 will be done. So it's done. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 will be here. So it is important to recheck A31, A32, A33. Now we will print a blank space and then we will copy it, Ctrl C and paste it here, and same we will do for other matrix for B. So we just press Alt and do B in same place. So first of all I select all of them. Great. I have selected all the elements and I will press backspace and type B. So this is our second matrix. I will print blank space again. Now the next work is that we have taken the input of matrix A matrix and elements of matrix B matrix. Now we have to give it a proper matrix form, so we will use the list for this, and I will create a function def matrix underscore, and here I will take in a variable self.a. I will make a list and in that list there will be 3 lists which will represent our rows of a matrix. So here self.a11. Self.a22, self.a33. No, it will be A13 and here also A12. It will go column wide. I want it to go row wide. I will copy this and paste in second row and third row and change the value here. Second row we will make it 2 instead of 1, and this is our third row, so we will make it 3. Now we will do the same for other matrix as well. Let's type it. Def matrix underscore B self.b is equal to list, and as I told you in the matrix there will be 3 lists which will represent 3 rows. And I will copy this inside so the case will remain the same. Here we will have B11, B12 and B13. Similarly copy the second row, paste it here, and in the same place we will do B in the second row, we will do E in the third row. Copy paste and replace A with B. Perfect. Our matrix is ready. 2 matrices are ready, self.a and self.b. But why we made this function? Because we have to print and display the matrix which was formed by input. So what we will do is we will print self.a. Similarly I will print great. After that I will create a function called def matrix operation, and in this I will call self.matrices self.matrix. But we have to do one more operation in which basically the main operation is matrix multiply. So we have created a function named matrix multiply. Now I will pass this statement and call it in the matrix operation, and this matrix multiply, I will call it in the matrix operation. So, I was saying that we will call self.matrix multiply in the matrix operation, and this matrix operation that we have created, I will call it in the init method after we have taken the user's input. So here we will call self.matrix operation. Great, we have called it. Now we will call matrix multiply, which is our main function. So I will make a variable self.matrix which is representing matrix multiply, and so basically there will be 2 lists in this. I made a mistake in dictionary. There will be 2 lists in which we have to sum. In the first one which we sum in matrix X into Y, which we sum in rows and columns. So this is X into Y, and from where X into Y came. So for X, Y and zip we will use zip function and make 2 parameters. One is row name A underscore O comma B underscore called, and now it is showing error because it is not defined yet, so we will define it now. So, it's not defined yet. So it will be in this one, and we will use zip function in which we will take all self.b. Similarly for column, we will do for row for underscore row and self.a. We are multiplying row of A matrix with column of B matrix, and then we are doing summation of it with sum. And what we are doing with X into Y from row of A matrix, we have taken Y from row A and X from row B, and this is repeated 3 times and then summed up. Now we have to print each element. So what I will do is I will put a loop here for element for L in Matplotlib and then print here, and then we didn't need to give the brackets, so we need to write self.matplotlib because we are working in class. So self.matplotlib. Now I will call the function, so I will make an object named matrix and here I will call matrix. Let's run it once. I'll run the matrix multiply and let's do it up here. So A11 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I'm randomly giving any number now. Second matrix, so 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So great, it has given us the answer. So it's also sleeping here that this is the first matrix which we have given here, 1 2 3 then 4 5 6 and then 7 8 9. So it has written row wise this is the first matrix and it's 3 rows and its elements. Then in the second matrix similarly 9 8 7 6 5 4 and 3 2 1. So 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, and it has given its matrix by multiplying it. So this was the matrix multiplication.